Hi, my name is Zachary Angela, and I just wanted to go over updated project. I basically allowed a kind of a new command or whatever you want to call it. So you can basically execute commands. As you can see, it's running them. Let's see. I was trying to do remove, but I don't believe that it's working totally correctly now. It says that it removed it, but it really didn't. And I guess, well, that's weird. It removed everything but that. But anyways, I wanted to show that so that to kind of show what is actually going on. And R is used to remove stuff, and basically this is kind of what's going on. It's a two-liner basically, but at the bottom here is sort of what it's being checked on. And so my debugger options are for integrated terminal, and that allows you to well, when you go to run, well, you got to be actually on a file. Oh, that's right. Okay, let me get rid of that. And so we'll run it in the terminal, allow you to do whatever it is you need to do, and then when you hit whatever it is, it'll breakpoint it at that spot, so that it'll get to that. Let me see though. I don't want it up here because then it'll go through the library. It's not really something I wanted. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so the remove is set to true, and now it ranges through the list, which is these three commands. And basically, CNOT should not be index 0 for PWD. Why was that chosen? Hope it's just running through them. It doesn't actually know what index it's on. So, in order to, so chosen have to be used as is the index, but actually I think, well, no, because chosen is also a slice. Or is it? Wow, it did it 4 times? That's kind of weird. So I would need a way to go through the list and then make sure whatever's in chosen gets removed from list. So, and this is basically to remove whatever it is. So what you're looking for is whatever item is in there. So chosen. Do I need to do another for loop? Yeah, I guess you're gonna have to do another for loop. Yeah, for range it, but this time through chosen. And then item, and then this would go in there, item would go here, so up to that index. It should, wait, no, because you need to make sure they are the same item. Yeah, it should, because item is checking inside list and item is in chosen. My only thing is, if like I think there's a whole bunch in there for I don't know what reason. Actually, this is not needed. So it should do it. We'll see. It'd be -1 if it wasn't in the list. But, or yeah. Okay, so let's check it out in the config. Why is it still there? So it's not, it removed it, but it didn't remove it from the actual config. So we have to see here. Actually, we gotta stop that, and then gotta restart. Yeah. Okay, what do we got going on here? That's the list, but it's not writing it to the config. Did. So I don't know what happened there. What was the difference between the executions? But okay. Oh wait, because it auto writes it. See, now that's my bad. Yep. Gen config. Right there. That is my bad. It reset it every single time. Yep. Now there's only 2. Top, select, yep, there we go. Okay, well, just fix the remove thing. But at least now you can select, execute a command. Oh, there's more commands. I should be able to, actually this should be my next thing. When you go to add, did that actually add it? Yeah, it did. But you should be able to delete and then re-add. That's what you should be able to do. Yeah, so I'm also, make my way to database stuff too. I was going to do an option, allows you to choose configure database. What I want to do? I want to be able to add a command, a note, and a tag. This way you could search the tags. So if you have many commands under a certain umbrella, you can search it. They don't have to be first letter, whatever, in order to search it. So the only thing is, with the database stuff, I'm also introducing a lot of, the SQLite, I guess, dependency, but whatever. And then I gotta generate it too, but that's fine and easy. But I want to be able to do the add command when you remove stuff. Actually, I want to be able to make this select between the database. So it's actually pretty easy to ask like a question in the terminal, and then actually I just would much rather want it to be a selection. It's just easier. It's 10 times easier to do that. So you would just do case state state makes sense for configure database. Well, then I gotta do the SQL and all that jazz. That'd be kind of boring to watch. But so that's basically what I've been working on. It's basically, and as you can tell, it really wasn't a whole lot. The executing command thing, I mean, it was pretty easy. It's just this command that just runs it. The only thing is, if you do commands like top, that's for your terminal, and this is executing a command that's like in another process. And I could do the PID stuff and stop it and all that jazz, which that's the real kicker of this, is do I make it something to where you can generate programs and stop them and all that, or is this just this to create commands and search them? You know what I mean? And maybe I'll make another repo as something that's like, bearers loaded, Then it's not really a command creator. It's more like commands searcher that's already got commands. But that's just something I've been kind of working on. I'm glad I was able to kind of show all that, and hopefully those who want to just use this code or even contribute or do whatever, you kind of have a better understanding of kind of what's going on. Basically this is generating the config. The only problem is that it will reload the config, like it'll regenerate it. This actually loads the config, and then this is what calls the program, really, and then it just takes the answer, spits it out. That's really it. I think I may have updated the README a bit to do the commands and everything. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay. Thank you.